Good afternoon, guys. Today I am going to show you about how to analyze plane charts. This is a plane chart on TradingView. This does not contain any indicator. So this is the first candle opening here. This is the opening. This is the closing. However, if you mark this, market went up, it was rejected and came to the starting point. Again it was rejected here, it went up, again it was rejected here. We waited for the market to play out for some time and there was a sideways move till here. Usually after a sideways move, the market will go down. If it is started from the lower side, that means here. Usually after a sideways move here, the market will go down. And now again there is a sideways move, and you might be wondering why I have put lines here. I will show it on the order flow charts. See, I will just reduce the size of the candlestick so that you can see the previous candles also. See, this is a multi-day. This is the December 1st candle, what I am showing you here. This is the December 1st opening candle, opening and closing, and that candle was rejected, and from that day on till today it was not broken. Yesterday it was broken, market went up. Today the market opened a higher gap up and again it got rejected here. Excuse me. And from there it got rejected. Let me explain today's rejection point. Now I'll go through today's chart. Looking at today's, this is the today's opening candle and today's high candle. This is today's high. So market is very simple when you understand without indicators, and indicators are all not, they are indicating only the past and not the future. So with this plain analysis you can analyze the future like I am doing here. It is just give it a bit of time, and first of all let me show you how the market went up. The market opened gap up with so much gap, up. This is today's first candle high, 5-minute candle high. It was taken out and it went another 50 points, exactly 50 points, and again it collapsed to the day starting point. The day starting point, again it was rejected here and it went up and it broke this high, that first candle high, and it went up. It broke this high also, it went up and never sustained there. We have to keep watching the candles, how they change, the transformation in the candles. And then the next candle opened below the high and came down. So I was still watching for it to break down this point. It still broke, it came down this point, again got rejected. So I was waiting for these points to be over. 1, 2, 3, and this is almost 4, and this is the 5th. Usually it happens in the 3rd one or the 4th one. It goes up like the 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes like this. But today it has taken a little bit of longer time. So let's see what happened. It went up, failed to hold the highs and collapsed to the day opening point. Again went high, again came to the day low, and again touch the first candle high, and again it was rejected. The first candle high was not holding, so this was my entry point. Give the market a bit of time so that you can understand things, otherwise it will be difficult for you to understand. This is the entry point. People might be wondering how I take this point. These are the simple analysis I do to take this entry. When I took the entry, based on the order flow chart, this entry point is at 12:15 or 12:10. So this is the 12:10 candle. This is my stop loss. This green candle high is the stop loss. I took some entry somewhere here, and from my entry point was here, or take it here. I confirmed the selling because of these red candles here, red sellers, and there are very less buyers. The selling cart is 69 and the buying cart is 5. So this gave me a confirmation that it is going to go down. From then on, I took a position somewhere here in between, that is 33,900 in the futures, and see where it went. 200 points down. I exited here because I was not sure whether it would go up or go down after this. I exited somewhere here. And after this, I still started analyzing the order flow charts, and I could see the market was going down, and it is going down even now as I am speaking. I will show you how it happens. I lost a trade because of making this video. I made a high here, and still it is not supporting the selling side because the difference ratio should be above 5. However, taking this into consideration, this is still on the buying side. I need a confirmation on the sell side because today I am on the sell side. Now I can take a position here, somewhere here. So let me go back to the other video, other chart model. This is the one I was talking about. So I exited here, somewhere here. I took an entry at 3,900 or 890 and exited the trade at 720. So that is close to around 200 points. A 200 points trade in one single trade is a very good trade. Now there is no necessity for me to trade in the sideways moving market. I need a confirmation unless it breaks the previous point. What is the previous point? I need the closing below this line. It is still trading in the line. I need a closing below that. If it closes somewhere here or here, I can take an entry based on the confirmation of the next candle. I won't take an entry just because one candle closes here. See here, the green candle closed below the line. However, the green candle again went up. So I need two candles to close below the line. After that only I will be taking a trade. So it is very simple. Keep trading simple. Don't complicate it. And however, if you need any support or something, you can still message me on 8762963618. Thank you. Happy trading and happy weekend.